to Sonic. I'm Elliot. What are you here for you today?
Hey, are y'all still doing the half-price corn dogs for St. Patty's Day?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, can I get like 5 of those? I have purchased my 5 Sonic corn dogs. Should be many more than I can fit in my mouth. I don't know. Like, just looking at them. They salted them. That's weird. This is 1. So if I get 2 more of these, make it 3. I might need to put my hair up for this actually. 1 second. Alright. Hair's up. Just for a reference point. I brought the tape measure. 2 inches is how far you're supposed to get this shit into your mouth. I can't see where the start point is. That's like most of the corn dog, like almost half. So it's not like you're just putting the tip in your mouth. So for reference, 1 corn dog. I'd say it's about 2 inches in. So 2 corn dogs. That's 2. I can barely do that. So I'm gonna pull out all 3 here. Don't know how. I gotta get like 1 in and then maneuver the other 2. Huh? The whole way I'm gonna force on this. The hot pepper. It can't be done. It can't be done. Like 3 of these things, like look at the size of them compared to my face. Just for reference point, let me get all 5 of them out here. This is 5 corn dogs. It's 5 of them. Should get the tape measure out and measure the circumference around all of them. But like, it's the size of my face. I feel like maybe I could have gotten 4, but it can't be done. Hey, bread these fuckers thick. In conclusion, anyone who thinks they can get more than 4, I think is a maniac. I can't do 4. Maybe I just have a small mouth. I have a pretty big head, honestly. I would say a little bigger than average. So maybe my mouth size is just a little small for my head size. So maybe 4, but if you think you can get more than 4 corn dogs in your mouth, like people were throwing out 7 and 8 during some of those pug raids, and like how are you gonna do that? One final thing I wanted to add is that they are doing the half-price corn dog thing still, and I picked up another drink as requested for someone else, and then got myself a shake, but a blue coconut slush and a small shake, and then these 5 corn dogs cost me $14, almost $15. So I just wanted to be known that I spent most of that was probably the drinks, but like at least $7 or $8 of my own money just to prove everyone who thinks that they can shove 8 or 9 corn dogs in their throat, like maniacs, certifiably insane. It's not doable. And if you can fit 7 corn dogs in your mouth, please go to the Guinness Book of World Records right now, because you have an insane mouth.